84.
84.
84.
Passé 4.
Past tense 4.
Past tense 4.
Lire.
To read.
To read.
J'ai lu.
I read.
I read.
J'ai lu tout le roman.
I read the whole novel.
I read the whole novel.
Comprendre.
To understand.
To understand.
J'ai compris.
I understood.
I understood.
J'ai compris tout le texte.
I understood the whole text.
I understood the whole text.
Répondre.
To answer.
To answer.
J'ai répondu.
I answered.
I answered.
J'ai répondu à toutes les questions.
I answered all the questions.
I answered all the questions.
Je le sais, je l'ai su.
I know that. I knew that.
I know that. I knew that.
Je l'écris, je l'ai écrit.
I write that. I wrote that.
I write that. I wrote that.
Je l'entends, je l'ai entendu.
I hear that. I heard that.
I hear that. I heard that.
Je vais le chercher. Je suis allé le chercher.
I'll get it. I got it.
I'll get it. I got it.
Je l'apporte. Je l'ai apporté.
I'll bring that. I brought that.
I'll bring that. I brought that.
Je l'achète. Je l'ai acheté.
I'll buy that. I bought that.
I'll buy that. I bought that.
Je l'attends. Je l'ai attendu.
I expect that. I expected that.
I expect that. I expected that.
Je l'explique. Je l'ai expliqué.
I'll explain that. I explained that.
I'll explain that. I explained that.
Je le connais. Je l'ai connu.
I know that. I knew that.
I know that. I knew that.